Such an idiot, dude. Such an idiot. You are the reason there's traffic.
What the? Well done. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए।
गाली बकेंगे
सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं ये बच्चे।
Sorry. Wait. Before you guys unsubscribe and write sweet words in the comment section, let me tell you, I have installed the mirror. I just had some fun footage already edited and thought I'll upload this first and then upload the videos with 2 mirrors. Otherwise, if I show you the footage with 1 mirror after installing the mirror, it won't match with the timeline.
आप chronology समझ लीजिए।
थोड़ा सा माल बचा है तो बेचने दो ना. This video is too fun to not upload and I hope you enjoy it. Back to the video. Dude, this is so risky, man. I've also got instructions from my dad after he watched a few of my videos that whenever you go through these potholes, make sure you know the pothole well before you put yourself into it. Because you never know, man, like how deep can that be, and then you might end up on the other side of the world. I mean, that's not what he said, but he just asked me to stay careful while I go through potholes. Because there suddenly might be a manhole deeper than you expect, and then you might end up in a place you don't want to be. That's what he said. Well, I've already known all of these potholes. Here's Ramesh, here's Pakya, here's Charan. So I've learned to find my way through these potholes. I know this is taking a toll on my poor bike, but what do I do? Okay, it's very crowded today. Or tonight rather. Look at how dark it is, man. Okay, now going on the highway. Oh, dude, move, man. Not cool. Not cool, dude. Not for me. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about that guy. Poor guy, he saw that coming. Such an idiot, dude. Such an idiot.
Hello there.
Nice.
Wow, a very convenient speed breaker damage. It just wasn't there. Roads in Mumbai just suddenly stop existing, man. That's the same happens with speed breakers as well. They're like, okay, I give up. I don't want to exist anymore. Quit. See, I know this pothole. That's why I'm going on this side. Know your potholes, guys. Even potholes have feelings. You should get to know them. Introduce yourself to them. Name them. And make love to them once in a while. Colorblind. Can't really blame him. नहीं समझ आता यार किसी किसी को कलर्स. ऐसे गुस्सा नहीं होने का. I should keep my kill switch on because as soon as the green light starts, these guys are going to honk the shit out of me. But they didn't. I stand corrected. After you, sir. Wow, my visor is completely covered in dirt. I hope my camera... Oh shit, my camera lens is also disgusting right now. How did I ignore this? Seriously, man, I feel so lonely sometimes when people just leave me like that. What is he carrying in that helmet? Shame? Come on. Seriously, what the hell, dude? It won't rain because today I've worn everything possible. I've covered myself completely and it won't rain. I know that for a fact because that's how the code is written for the rains. Like bracket if raincoat present, then no rain.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Now I don't know how codes are written but please don't judge me. I'm just doing this for the sake of the joke. But yeah, that's how the code works. If I'm wearing a raincoat, it should not rain compulsorily. I don't give a shit about how big your vehicle is. My signal is on and I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna take care of my safety. I want you to not run me over. That's why the honking. But yeah, besides that, I don't give a shit.
Toodles.
अरे मारे जाओगे एक दिन. That was close.
मारे जाओगे एक दिन.
If I crash into this truck, no, I won't die by getting hurt. I'll die by getting infections after I'm hurt with that rusted metal. That's why it's better that I keep my distance. 2 गज की दूरी, ब्रेक्स है जरूरी.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ. आपकी पावर है तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
It's funny how these guys come in the wrong side, block everyone and then act so naive like भैया ये देखो ये ऐसा हो गया, अब क्या करे भैया, भैया क्या करे भाई. Like you are blocking, you are the reason there's traffic. They behave so helpless and poor after blundering like that. Look at this enthusiast. He thinks I'm the idiot to just follow the truck like that. कि नहीं इससे कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा कुछ तो. And if you had to go on the left side, then why were you even trying to overtake from the right side? That was close. Here comes the most fun part of the road. Goregaon ka Takeshi's Castle. Well, there is sometimes someone to accompany me this time. Yeah, that's the style, my buddy. हम तो क्या ही कर रहे हैं जीवन में अपने साथ, खुद के साथ. Sipping in those sugars and nice swag. Oh, the glory. The glory of Indian roads. Ooh, when did they fix this? Wow. Nice, man. हिंदुस्तान बदल रहा है.
वाह क्या सीन है.
Let's see if we have chain cleaner over here. भाई chain cleaner है क्या? कौन सा है? दे दो, बताओ. इधर ही रहेगा ना नीचे. इसका बड़ा नहीं है भाई. आपके पास आईना रहेगा क्या गाड़ी का? हाँ, कितने का है दिखाओ. रखो रखो. Wishes of you guys have been granted. Okay, perfect. Okay. See, finally you guys have pressured me into buying this. But yeah, it was all worth it. This is a much needed thing. Hello. That $1 million smile. Well, I did not expect things to be available over here, man. I just thought, actually came here to get the chain cleaner because I wanted one, and I was like, this might as well ask for a mirror, and luckily I got one. Sweet, look at that. Oh, I can see people behind me from my left side. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that marvelous? I'm unstoppable now.
बैठो बेटा, बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में.
Okay, calm down. This feels strangely, this feels weird though, that there's one, these objects are in the mirror are closer than the appear mark on one mirror, and it's not there on the other. Also the glass here is quite different, huh? It's anti-glare, I guess, which looks much better than the original one. But then, it's triggering my OCD, man. The symmetry is not there now. I guess I should just bring back the symmetry. What do you say? I don't know, man. I wish I met that mirrorless brother that I came across the last few days ago. I could have given him this mirror and got myself a new one. I haven't got that much money at my disposal to just spend another $430 for no reason. This is doing a good job, so it's fine. I'll wait for it to break. By the way, this is not a cue for all of you guys to now start hunting for me, huh? I don't want someone to break my mirror so that I get a new one. That will make you guys the most toxic subscribers of the world. So please keep it in your pants. Oh, look at that. It's anti-glare for sure. It is anti-glare. Looks nice and new, huh? This poor thing has got little scratches. That's okay. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Why did I even start this, dude? Peer pressure. That's what peer pressure does to you. All right, 3, 2, 1. Come on, man. Also, most importantly, the fact that I've got myself the new mirror doesn't mean that you won't see single mirror videos any further. There is a lot of footage of me riding with one mirror. So please bear with me. Unless you want to lose out on that content, unless you want to not see that super delicious international amazing content,
Not interested, yaar.
then it's up to you. You can let me know in the comments, but then I want you to bear with me for a few days until I exhaust all of it, and after that we can start, you know, riding with our two babies here. Also, for the record, today's day is 5th of July. This is exactly when I uploaded the video where I revealed that I actually haven't installed the new mirrors. So it is the same day that I'm getting myself the new mirrors, okay?
Bonus.
That's a different breed altogether. हमको तो राहें चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.